What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Wallet Monkey channel, where we give you all the credit intel you need to grow your wallet. Today, we're going to talk about Grow Credit, which essentially takes all subscriptions you're already paying and puts them on your credit report to help you build credit for free, which I think is a great concept. And I think it's quite different than like a self, where you're essentially taking out an installment loan and you're paying back on it every single month as its own separate thing over here that is kind of isolated. Whereas this is something that you're already paying for these things. So we're not opening up another subscription service to open up this loan with self. We're just taking what we're already doing and now getting the benefit of having it added to our credit report. So if you're brand new to building credit or you're trying to rebuild, things like this can be extremely powerful. And it gives you just about the same kind of kick. So I'm looking at some of what their testimonials say. And so I'm seeing here, my FICO jumped 20 points in a few months using Grow Credit. Well, I mean, we're looking at a 12 to 20 point jump with self as well. And they even do a comparison article, which we'll get into between the two. But this is like a app-driven tool or vehicle, right? And let's look at the pricing models. So you can apply for free. You have to link up your checking account, and it's going to use the Plaid or several other third-party services to link up your bank account. So if you've had issues with that in the past, you're going to probably have issues with this one too. So either you get those resolved or just don't even try applying because you'll be denied. They have to link a bank account. And so another thing that kind of sucks too is like the fact that you have to pay your subscription services through your checking account is like, I mean, I'd rather pay that on a credit card and then get rewards points. So you do have to factor that in too. And this is why, like, this is very tailored towards somebody trying to rebuild or build their credit, because somebody who's already built their credit and kind of has their finances funneled differently probably wouldn't see much benefit out of this at all. All right, so this is free. It reports as a $204 limit. You get some sort of FICO score as well. I don't know how they're piped into getting you the FICO score and how often it is, but you get it. And then from there, it starts to go up. So $2 a month, $4, and then $8 a month. And so they're just reporting more on the annual limit, right? And then giving you more to spend each month on the subscriptions, right? So we got 17 a month, 50, and then 150. And what is this per month? 17. Okay, so the next logical question is, well, what subscriptions do they offer? I actually had to ask because I couldn't find it, but it is in their little help wiki thing. And here is a full list of what subscriptions currently work. So you got a lot of the normal stuff, like Adobe Creative Cloud even is a great option. Amazon Prime, AAA, AMC Plus, I have no clue what that is. Audible, that's another good one. Bloomberg, CBS, so any kind of news subscriptions, HBO Max, Hulu, right? So these are all common ones, right? Netflix. I mean, the fact that you could slap a Netflix on and have that boost up your credit score, brand new building credit, I mean, that's pretty killer, pretty killer. Spotify, SoundCloud, they got everything. They got not everything, they got the big ones that matter. Sirius XM, Xbox Live, Infinity, YouTube Premium. I mean, this is pretty much what everyone's paying for, right? Tinder, Jesus. T-Mobile, what else? Sprint, yeah, Stars. Yeah, so quite a bit there. And then you just go in just like this and add a subscription in there. And it's based off what level you basically buy in at, that you can put more and more into on there as subscriptions, right? So you can just transfer that over. You do get discounts, it looks like. Cell phone bill payment, free financial literacy education, free FICO scores across the boards, access to premium subscriptions, periodic balance increases. So yeah, it looks like this is one that is gonna, these two here are gonna benefit you the most if you're looking to actually grow this. Now, if you just want something flat rate service, bang, it looks like free, or this as low as $199 a month is really your best options. We did cover this too on best credit cards for bad credit. Here we are on the Wallet Monkey site. And if we go down right here, so there is no hard pull, APR is 0%, no annual fee, no cash back. There is technically no credit card to it. And then deposit credit limit, yep, 17 to 150. Auto pay is monthly, and it reports to all three. So pretty solid data for you there. Let's jump in if we've got additional breakdown. Where are you? Grow credit. Yep, okay. Yeah, okay, nothing additional there. So Okay, so let's look here. I pulled up this article. I can't remember why though. Experian Boost versus Grow Credit. How many points increase? Yeah, I think they're about the same. You know, Experian Boost, you get your outliers, but I think you can expect like a 10 to 20 point boost with both. For example, compare Score Experian Boost, only 10 points. Grow Credit, tend to see an increase around 51 points. Wow. That's okay, so I guess I'm wrong, but I find that kind of hard to believe. Where does that take you? I thought it like took you to maybe some more data that they've compiled. That would be interesting. Now 4 months later, my score's gone up 50 points. Wow. Okay, well, I guess there's your answer. I was wrong, and it's extremely better from a point standpoint. Maybe just do both, right? Okay, so yeah, I mean, that's pretty great actually, 50 points. I didn't think it was actually that high. So it seems like their average is more like 20 to 50, whereas like a Self and Experian is like a 10 to, I'd almost say like 17 point bump. Because with Self, you really, I mean, I thought 20 point bump was good. And yes, you've got your outliers, but if this is bumping people up on average, they said 51 points, that's pretty crazy. Yeah, so here is the next article I wanted to show you, which is kind of comparing Self and taking out a loan as like a credit builder versus just taking something that you're already paying and directing it there. Yeah. All right, so that's it. That's all I got for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you're currently using Grow Credit, what you think. Did you see a 50-point bump? If not, I'd love to still hear what you got, so I'd love to hear some data points from you. I think 50-point jump would be absolutely incredible for stuff that you're already using. Again, it just kind of makes sense. So anyways, comment below if you've got something to say, you've got some data points to share. Like the video, help this get in front of more people, helps us with the YouTube algorithms, you know that. And then if you're brand new here, just hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads. All right, see ya.